Another go without interference with cat and mouse dudes.
Presto, changeo.
Check out Dog Dude walking the board. Whoa, dude! With scores like these, Dog Dude's got a gnarly chance to win first place. Now the heat is on. See who can catch the drumstick. Oh, this Tomcat's sick with mad tricks. We're seeing some history in the making, ladies and gentle dudes. This is Little Jer's final run. Let's see what Mouse Dude can come up with. And it's Crab City for Cat Dude. Votes are in, and the winner of the big pile of cash is Drippy.
Oh, goody. Aloha, dudes.
Dude, 2 dogs? Did not see that coming. Oh well, can't change the past. Now, for second place, Tom has a 1-point total ahead of Little Jer. He wins second place. A lifetime supply of cheese. Compliment of Big Cheese on the high seas. Oh, think fast, Mouse Dude. Just a little parting gift. Surf wax. Don't wipe it all in one place.